The Department of Education implements the Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning Program that aims to resolve the learning crisis in the Philippines by providing extra classes for students. The Philippines faces a severe reading crisis, with many students unable to comprehend basic text. This deficiency acts as a barrier to all other subjects. Without comprehension, students fail to solve math problems or understand science, effectively stalling their entire education before it truly begins. Eileen Victoria discussed the reading crisis in the Philippines during the Cluster 5 Secondary Schools press conference at Mandili High School today, discussing how it affects the students and the nation. This episode was recorded before 2 p.m. on January 26, 2026. New updates may have occurred since the time of recording. Tune in for the most recent news brought to you by the News Whisper by Pampanga's Youth Press.